Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mark here, and today we're back with a pretty exciting video. I'm just gonna cut right to the chase. I'm personally so excited about this. I can finally retire my Moto 360. Without any further ado, let's get on with the unboxing and first setup. Alright, so first of all, we take it out of the Apple bag, and this is the Nike Plus version because, I mean, I came from, well, a sporty-ish smartwatch before. And it comes with an exclusive watch face and is the same price as the regular one, so I thought, hey, why not? So anyway, guys, the box is pretty simple. It's just black, which I like quite a lot. I'm gonna let you guys listen here because I know everyone really likes this. Alright, nice. So, right off the bat, here we have a nice matte black box. Oh man, I'm loving that. I'm actually not sure how to open this. I mean, I've seen it be done before. So I'm going to assume that I'm just going to push in these two flaps. Maybe one at a time, maybe not. Okay, wow, that's nice. So that is currently... Yeah, okay, so that's currently folding out. Series 4 Space Gray with the aluminum case, anthracite black Nike Sport Band in 44 millimeters. So that is nice. Oh man, that is so nice. Oh man, look at that. So you actually, on the side here, you actually have like other little Apple watches. So I think right here, this one here, I think that's the Milanese loop. We got some sport bands. Oh, that's actually really cool. Actually, no, I was wrong. That's actually not the Milanese loop. That's actually the nylon. So these are all like Nike products, right? Wow, that's really cool. So on the top here, gonna be careful not to let that slide out and open. We have the watch itself, and that looks really nice right there. So we're gonna pop this off to the side, and we have our nice sport bands. They're actually packaging it separately now, which I don't mind. I mean, I like unboxing more things. So this little case here, that's actually super cool, and I love the way that they're doing that now. So now we have the sport band and the watch. So let's open the sport band first. And these are slightly different from the retail ones, just in that they kind of, well, they don't have the little pull tab on the back. So there's a pull tab here, which I like. So we'll just pull this out. Oh yeah, okay, okay. So, okay, stuff's falling out already. But here we go, Apple Watch, Nike Plus. Gonna put that on top of here. Move the little card or whatever down there. So it's giving you some instructions here on how to attach to the watch, and then there we, wow. Very nice presentation. I like that a lot. So, wow. So I'm going to repackage this up real quick because I will probably just put this on well, when I finally get the watch unboxed. I'll just put this all together all at once. Put that here. Put that off to the side for a second. And now to the actual watch. So this, I'm already liking. This is actually textured right here. So it's actually poking out slightly where the watch graphic is visible. So here we go. Oh man, so here we go. Designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. That's nice. So here we have our wireless charging cable, which is nice. And right here we just have the little wall brick, which is all right. And right here is what we want to see. In this nice little Alcantara pouch, it says 44 millimeters on the back. And it has like the little charging ring right there. This is actually really nice. It's a nice little case. So I do not get the cellular one, which is okay because I carry my phone with me almost all the time anyways. So here we go. So look at that, popping that out there. The Series 4 is nice and round, so it's kind of just like a little pebble. Wow. That's really nice. So on the back it says Series 4, Apple Watch, 44mm aluminum. It's got the Nike logo. We can see like the little electrodes on the back where you get the ECG functionality. Wow, that is looking and feeling really nice. So I'm just gonna take a quick break, assemble this all, and start with the setup. Right off the bat, kind of the first thing I'm noticing is just how fast and fluid it is. I can go really anywhere within the watch. I can choose any application and it just instantly opens. It's ridiculous. It's just so fast. No apps have any delay. There's no delay anywhere. And all the animations are just butter smooth. So first impressions are really, really good. So anyway guys, that's all for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.